We love to listen.
I saw Harry the dolphin.
And we saw Harry the dolphin yesterday.
Oh, hi Harry the dolphin again.
And the tide's now going back out for the day. And Lace is just having a bit of cereal. And then we'll head off. So we'll see you when we get there. So we're heading past the all-weather pictures, past the cart hire pickup, which is the Activitiy hub, with the big wood jump and the climbing wall. And then we're heading towards the ranger station, which is just ahead. We got the complex shop and the box bar.
They're called mini creatures, actually.
Where you got?
Surnames, please.
Dirty, ain't
Here for bug hunt.
Put your hand up for.
Scared of bugs.
I've got my hand up.
Good
Got a
to.
little bit of walk down to where we've got to go.
We'll be
We're
at the
off
back.
to Otter's Lake.
We'll go in the back.
We're at the back.
We're
Cool kids are at the back of the class, aren't they?
Because those are...
Always go at the front.
Me and Lily are older.
Things have changed then.
Dad, everyone's like 4 or 5.
Are they?
And I mean they're the only ones which is 6 and almost turning 12.
I know. She isn't she? Almost 12.
Yeah.
Start digging then, kids.
Daddy, can you hold my pot when I start digging?
Yeah.
Anywhere along here. You can look in, if you look at the curled up leaves, you might find caterpillars or ladybirds.
Daddy, come on. Come on. I'm trying to find something here.
Yeah.
Coming out. No, it's not.
Trevor.
Let's go to another area.
Okay.
I don't think
Anything in there?
Vlog, the best thing about having shovels is that you could scoop them onto a shovel.
Oh yeah.
Found a ladybird.
Found a ladybird.
I will.
You in there? Let's have a look. Open the lid. Where is he? Oh yeah, I see him on the leaf. You see it, Lace?
Yeah, but I had a black thing with stripes on. I picked it up.
You picked it up with your finger.
Yes, and it fell out my hand.
Ugh, should we find something else?
Oh! Oh, spider in there.
She catched a spider.
What? You see anything?
Yeah, I see him.
It's a white spider.
I'm gonna pick it up.
Look at all these ducks.
Can we catch one?
I found my
No, they
creature.
won't. Yeah, get caught. Hello.
Daddy, can you help me find
Quack quack. Quack quack.
Yeah, I've got a poison.
What, here?
Yeah, that was a poison apple.
Put the
Let's
cup
see.
underneath it and then smack the lid on top.
Okay, hold the vlog.
I have no one.
You got it.
Yes, no, look, have a look.
Can you put the lid on? Put the lid on. Can you hold the spatula? Mommy, I got a poisonous ladybird.
Got Lace.
Oh, she's on the lid. It's on the lid.
Hold your spatulas. You got me calling them spatulas now. Shovel. Bug hunts. Stand in front of
Okay, now be smiley.
I shout, we love bug hunts.
We hate bug hunts.
We love bug hunts.
Dad, you actually did the
Gosh, share the vlog. Looking through the lid. Where is he?
on the corner.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy. What we're doing now, we're at the Bug Hotel. And we're going to put in our captured ladybugs.
And then, is there like a Halloween trail or something?
Yeah, this afternoon. But I think it might depend on the weather.
I'll check if it's on.
You want to go put the bugs in the hotel?
Where's my shovel?
Yeah, well done for calling it a shovel, not a spatula.
Don't let it out, just place it on.
Where are you going to put them?
I'm just going to keep him on. I just want to pull him on
No,
here.
you got to put her in there, in the hotel.
No.
You got to pour her out.
Okay.
Because just in case she puts it in her bag. She's on the ground floor of the flat.
Okay.
That was the bug hunt. Felt like they could have done a bit more effort. Especially when capturing the bugs. They need to put some logs there, don't they?
Yeah, but it's fun we had to find them.
Yeah, but if you put logs there, that's a habitat for them to be in.
No, but it's...
So it'll be easier.
I like this one more. Because you just let us do what we were doing.
Yeah, but there was no bugs.
There was bugs. We caught a ladybug and a spider.
Fire pit?
Well, I'm afraid of... Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
I do subscribe our channel, turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.